Hi guys, good evening. So we will be unboxing what we bought earlier. So we bought an amount good for 6 toys from Jollibee. So this is a blind box introduced to us by Jollibee under Kids Meal. Now, Kids Meal are now being bought by the older ones like me. But as we all know, as I want to share to you why we buy this one, because this is what we used to watch during our childhood days, and this is like healing our inner child. And also I play Pokemon Go since 2016, and of course I watch the anime also relating to Pokemon. So there are 10 Pokemon that you can get. So it's a since it's a blind box, you have to get it. But of course, there are I know there are secrets for this. If you want to get the unique one, so you can get not the repeated one also. So we have like Munchlax. When it evolves, it's Snorlax. We have Pichu, the evolved form is Pikachu. We also have Riolu, the evolved form is Lucario. We also have Psyduck, the evolved form is Golduck. And of course, Vulpix, the evolved form is Ninetales. So, Munchlax is a normal type Pokemon. Riolu is a fighting type Pokemon. Vulpix is a fire type Pokemon. Then Psyduck, of course, from the term Psyduck. So it's psychic powers of Psyduck. And then we also have, of course, Pichu. It's electric type Pokemon. So those are the things, the Pokemon that we have to get here. So I think the most famous one is Pikachu, of course. And then we have to unbox this one. So I'm going to set this aside and then unbox each. So I have here, first Pokemon I have here is so the first Pokemon here, I'm excited for this one. So the first one, wow, it's a Great Ball. Alright. So ayan, meron tayong Great Ball. So as you can see here, okay, Great Ball po tayo. So ayan, wow, it's Golduck. Ayan, si Golduck po ang laman ng Pokemon natin. Ayan po, si Golduck po. Ayan. So inside our Pokemon, that's the first one, the first Pokemon. Alright. So, okay, it's Golduck. Next, so we still have 5 more to unbox. Okay, so this is Golduck. So we now have Golduck. The next one we have Jollibee Kids Meal, but an adult is opening this one. We have a regular Pokeball. We have Munchlax! Yay! We have Munchlax here, guys. So, si Munchlax po ang second na na-open po natin. So, Pokeball, the base form po sa mga Pokemon natin. Kaya, itong red one. So, if you play Pokemon Go, we also have Pokeball, the normal Pokeball. And then, we also have Great Ball, then Ultra Ball in Pokemon Go. Alright, if you play that game. Next one, the third one. So, I'm just sharing you guys. So, I'm very happy tonight as an adult. So, my wife supported me on this one. So, the third one, we have third one is, okay, a regular ball, Pokeball. We have Psyduck. Alright, Psyduck. Ting, 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 Psyduck, Psyduck. Psyduck, Psyduck. Alright. Psyduck, guys. And then, that's the third one. Now we have the fourth one. So, no repetition as of now. We have the fourth one. Oh, it's a great ball. Alright. So who will be this Pokemon? Yay! It's Lucario. Alright, this is Lucario, guys. Lucario. See. Oh my god. Lucario's in the house. Alright. Now, we will be unboxing the fifth one. Alright, the fifth one, guys, is... Alright, the fifth one. We have... The fifth one is... It's a great ball again. We have... Pikachu! Yay! It's Pika! It's Pikachu! Yay! Pikachu! And the last one we have. Alright, let's set this aside. The last one will be... Okay, it's a great ball again. Who will this be? I hope it's a good one. Oh my god, it's Snorlax. Wow. Snorlax. I think most of us like Snorlax. So, favorite Pokemon also. Snorlax, normal type Pokemon. Always sleeping. Yay, so, in summary, we got Psyduck, Munchlax, Lucario, that's 3. We have Pikachu, Golduck, and Snorlax. So, 6. So, we are very fortunate that we got 6 that are unique, no repetition when it comes to the Pokemon type or the Pokemon itself. So, with that said, I have to get the other 4, which will be Pichu, Vulpix, Ninetales, and Riolu. So these are the Pokemons that I need to collect. Still in searching for it. So ayan. So that's healing my inner child, guys. So just sharing to you the Pokemon collections that I have now, and thank you for watching. I hope you get also your favorite Pokemon, and then let's collect 10 of them. Let's go.